Today is Saturday and it's -3, so it's quite cold. I'm here at Scarborough Bluff, so let's go. Magsuri-suroy ta, magpadagat ta. Mao ni among dagat diri sa Scarborough. It's not like in the Philippines na salt water. Among dagat diri is actually a lake. There, makita nimo, that's a Lake Ontario. So across the lake, that will be US na. So, ug abot ka dito, langoy ka dito, abot na ka US. So, okay kayo. Sorry lang ta diri sa beach, and then check na to ang view, check na to ang nature. Okay? Ay mga itik diha. So katong mga friends nako na moari diri sa Canada, labi na diri sa Toronto, mao ni ang nindot na lugar na suruyan para mag picture o kung sa din ha ato sa tan-aw nature. Mga itik dito nagtingog-tingog na. Alright, tana, let's go. Again, it's -3 outside and whoa, grabe katugnaw, man. Bisag na jacket ko, bugnaw gyapon. Oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about earlier. So nadiri ang mga itik. Okay, mga itik na din ha. Mga itik naglangoy-langoy. Oh, see that? Look at that itik. So, to give you an idea on how cold it is in Scarborough, look at that. That's water. And it's slowly turning into ice. See? Nakabugnaw, man. That's the beach right there. So that one, tinahan ko mo ara din ha, or ako i-try asa agi cause I don't know if there's actually a trail going up or you have to drive dito sa layo. Pero tanaw na to. Pato ko dito cause kita mo to dito sa tumoy. Ato ko dito and then probably take some photos and then magpalupad og drone para lingaw. It used to be a shoreline kana din ha. It used to be a shoreline sa back in mga the last ice age. It's I think the lake was called Lake Iruki. Yeah, I think that's it. So mo na siya, grabe ang history ana na what do you call it, cliff ridges or sa may tawag ana. O ba basta kana siya. O ba unsay tawag ana, just search for it. And then mo na siya. So karon mo na siya ang Lake Ontario. So guys, look at the sign. Right? So do not climb the bluffs. Okay, so bluffs day tawagan na day. Now I know. Look at that. Inani ka bugnaw dire. See that? It's ice. Kita mo ato? So, ari pa mo sa Canada? Hala, sige, pangari mo. Kay haruntog na won mo diri. But it's beautiful here. Mas daghan ang nature din ha sa Philippines or wherever you are. So there's always nature. Try to go outside and suroy and enjoy ka. Because the purpose of this video is para encourage yung mga tao ba na beauty is not all about mga gadgets, like mga nice things. Beauty is everywhere. So see, simple. And also guys, we have to be positive. So karon, it's not that crowded because with this kind of weather, nobody's gonna go swimming kay bugnaw man. So this is just gonna be a short hike for today because me and my families are heading out. I just wanted to show you guys sa beauty there is sa Scarborough. Wanna see ya. Okay, nahinetag hike pa dong sa atong parking and na mauli na ta. What's up? So instead of going home, so as I passed by, kita ko nga nailain parkinganan. So I park and then there's actually a lane, or I think there's a trail going to the other side. So ato ta, let's see kung ato ta sa cliff. And then because as far as I know, na nag-landslide and then stricto, so bawal, but we'll see. Okay, so see you later. So I found a trail right there, pero nakabutang na no trespassing, so I went down and then try taglain na trail. So mo na siya ang akong gingon, escape lane. There's an arrow, so sakata atong tanaw pwede ba dire. I don't know, we'll see. Let's try it out. Yes, I'm here on the top. But it's worth it. So ako ipakita ninyo sa video and probably in the photos. And what else? So no trespassing, danger. Ay kami nakabutang. So we're not allowed to go beyond the fence. So pakita tama. So maximum fine is 5,000. But it's overlooking. It's tempting. Pero sige lang, we don't have a choice. I don't know if you can see it, but don't worry. I'll be flying my drone and then let me catch my breath, man. We're here. I think napa dito, taas-taas pa ni, but I'm just gonna stop here. And then kay walk ba if daghan na kahoy dito, cause diri hawan. So I'll be flying my drone and then let's enjoy the view, man. Okay. So I guess that's it for now. Heading back sa trail. Naog na sa atong steep kay na or dulhugon kay na kuan. Sa man to'y tawag ato. So we're here sa Dulhugon, and again I hope you enjoy the video and stay safe everyone, be positive, and I guess that's it. So thank you for watching. Peace. Bye bye.